Bikers sound. On a Sunday morning, early even before the wake of all communities and sunrise. Soothing sound to me, silly sound to others. Bikes and bikers bending the roads, knees and backs, surfing the wind, zigzagging, crisscrossing, intertwining cars and coaches, folding and unwinding the curves of long roads. Adrenaline rush speeding from the motorbiker to the bike itself, accompanying wind racing, rushing neck and neck with the bikers and bikes, refusing defeat. Soothing sound roaring and roaming over the mountains, tossing tunnels, turning toll gates, braving bridges, and joyfully jumping hills.